Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Tokyo Olympics, Indian 41-year wait for hockey medal beat Germany 5-4 to win bronze. India abandoned their 41-year wait for the hockey medal at the Tokyo Olympics. They beat four-time champions Germany 5-4 in a nail-biter of a bronze medal match on Thursday to win their first Games medal since the 1980 Moscow Olympics. Simranjit Singh scored two field goals while Harmanpreet Singh and Hardik Singh scored from penalty corners. India went 3-1 down and then came back to level 3-3 all in the second quarter. Rupinder Pal Singh converted a penalty stroke which had given the lead and completed their comeback, after which Simranjit scored their fifth. This in India's fourth bronze medal in the Olympics. They last won a bronze in the 1972 Munich Olympics. India are the most successful team of the Olympics in the men's hockey with 8 gold medals. India were looking down and out when they went 3-1 down in the 24th minute as the villainous Germany piled pressure on the 8-time champions. However, India kept their eyes open for counter-attacking opportunities. Harmanpreet was unable to convert a PC that India got 2 minutes after they went 3-1 down. They got another 2 minutes later, and this time Hardik Singh converted to half Germany lead. Harmanpreet then converted a PC in 29 minutes and India equalized just 4 minutes after going 3-1 down at halftime. The score was incredibly 3-3. India also reached the quarterfinals of the 2018 World Cup in Bhubaneswar and performed exceedingly well in the FIH Hockey Pro League under Manpreet before the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the city. India Tokyo 2020. Vinesh Phogat loses wrestling quarters Indian men in hockey bronze. Tokyo 2020 Olympics. Day 13 will see Indian athletes trying to add at least 3 more medals to the national tally, with the wrestlers in prime focus on Thursday. Ravi Kumar Dahiya will fight in the gold medal match while Deepak Punia will look to grab the bronze. Star wrestlers Vinesh Phogat and Anshu Malik will also open their campaigns, while the men's hockey team will face Germany in the bronze medal match early morning. Indian sports fans will also be hoping for a good performance from KT Irfan, Rahul Rohila and Sandeep Kumar in the men's 20km race walk final. Indian men win hockey bronze, beat Germany 5-4. Vinesh Phogat loses quarterfinal of women's 53 kg category. Anshu Malik loses repage bout of women's 57 kg category.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.